Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung program for today and hopefully we answer all your questions. No spoilers, hopefully.
Thank you, Zach. Another Zach.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Yes, let's enjoy. Sobrang excited din po ako sa panonood ng episode 1. And maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal.
That's Z1 and Z2. Z1 and Z2.
Zach G, Zach C.
There you go. Zach Z and Zach G. JC.
Hello po, magandang tanghali. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta kahit na uulan, dito pa rin po kayo. Sana po, supportahan niyo po kami mag-promote nito. Thank you po sa inyo.
Good to see you back, JC.
Thank
And of course, ito medyo nasasanay niya siya sa acting talaga eh, no? Aki.
Hello, good afternoon po. Thank you po sa inyo sa pagpunta. Yung napakain po na huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-upload ng ulo mamaya. Ano yun po, thank you so much po. Please spread the word and thank you for supporting us.
Thank you, Aki. Raymond.
Hello po, ako si Raven. Thank you po for being here. We really appreciate it. And salamat po sa pagtuloy sa amin at pag-support sa Miss Baby.
And si Rance.
Hello, good afternoon po to everyone from the press. Thank you all for coming and ayun, excited na kami today. Thank you all for coming.
Thank you, Rance. Andy.
Hi everyone! First of all, syempre thank you sa I1, Sir MJ, to ABS-CBN for making this event possible for all of us. And thank you to our friends from the press, to all the fans. Thank you sa oras nyo. I'm so excited. We're so excited to share Miss Baby with all of you.
Thank you, Andy. Rain.
Hi everyone, it's Rick Rani here. Welcome to Misbehave. We're going to show you our hard work later. We're super happy to be here. We can't wait for you to watch it. Thank you sa Team Bahay. I'm sure there's online right now. Of course, our press, our fans, of course, Sir MJ. Maraming salamat, ABS, and of course, I Want. We can't wait for you to watch it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rain. Cyril.
Hello po! Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Super blessed po kami na share po namin sa inyo itong puso, pagod, and talagang efforts namin lahat. Kasi talagang love na love po namin magbigay na entertainment sa inyo lahat. Sa mga umatin po, maraming salamat kahit hindi po ganun kaganda yung weather. At sa mga team bahay po dyan, we appreciate po na sinusubaybayan niyo po kami kahit na dapat nagpapahinga na kayo. Maraming salamat po sa family natin sa press at sa media.
It's always exciting kapag may project na nandun ka.
Thank you po very
Oh.
much. Thank you, Lord.
Alam namin ano yan. Riot yan. Maganda yan. And of course, I'm so proud of our sunod-sunod na blessings. Alexa
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacad. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for spending time with us today. Thank you for being here with us to celebrate the upcoming launch of our series, Misbehave. Maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo at sa pagpo-post po ninyo and hopefully your reviews later. Thank you so much. And I would also like to say thank you to all of our fans. Yes! To all our supporters for coming here. And special mention syempre sa supporters ko. Thank you so much for being here, for breathing the rain, and for your food. It's so cute! I love it! Thank you so much. At syempre po sa lahat din po nagsistream sa ating live stream ngayon sa mga kanikita ng bahay or wherever you are. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok ninyo ngayong hapon. And yeah, we're so excited to spread the word about Misbehave. We're so excited to be here with you all. Kaya again, maraming salamat po ulit. And let's do this!
Let's do this. And of course, our director, Direct Ivan, go ahead.
Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Kailangan po namin ang tulong nyo. Maraming salamat po. We really worked hard. I mean, it's so cliche that we keep on hearing this every time, no? But we literally gave more than our all for this show. And we dedicated ourselves in submerging ourselves in this series. So, sana po maramdaman niyo po later pag napalabas ko. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, let's begin. Misbehave, sinabi ko kanina, is a bold coming-of-age series that talks about friendship, identity, empowerment, and the realities of the youth today. Can you add more to that, Direk? What can you share about the story of Misbehave?
Okay, I think the heart and the depth of Misbehave really, it talks about traumas.
Trauma nino. Mga ano ba to? Estudyante?
Traumas, especially girls.
Girls.
Who are
Student girls. Are they in college or in high school?
high school.
High school, okay.
It also talks about misogyny
Okay.
and a system that keeps failing its people. So
Ah.
it's very relevant, it's very now, especially sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon. So these 5 girls experienced a very traumatic situation na kailangan nilang pagdaanan together
In school.
in school.
Can you share, Alexa, ano yung traumatic experience or is it a spoiler already?
Ano naman po, actually it was shown in the
Go
trailer
ahead.
naman na parang yun yung doon nag-revolve din yung story. The girls, the 5 girls all sent their nude photos or explicit photos to the boys that they love. And
What?
this, yes.
Okay.
The miss, what? Yes, and then, so they plot their revenge. They plot their revenge and how they can claim their power back, how they can get their power back against sa mga perpetrators who did them wrong.
Okay, so the 5 girls are kayo.
Yes. Yes.
So kayo yung na-traumatize.
Yes.
Okay.
Sadly.
Fill your description of your characters. We begin with Alexa.
I am Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect, Miss Behave. Yes.
Okay.
Marla is literally perfect. She's a straight A student. She excels in everything that she does. She is a genius. Genius. Well, they're all geniuses.
Okay.
Anyone who goes to school at Sosh is a genius. So,
Ah.
may kanya-kanya kami mga amats and everything.
Okay.
But I would like to say na si Marla, her weakness, her biggest weakness is her boyfriend, si Cole. Kumbaga, matalino siya sa lahat, pero sa pag-ibig medyo tama siya.
Sino si Cole dito?
The handsome.
JC, go ahead. Describe yourself. So, your character here is Cole. Ano naman si Cole? Kung super genius yung girlfriend, ano si Cole?
Ako naman po dito, leader ng King of Sosh.
Ah.
And pressured lang ako because of my dad. Kaya yun yung nangyari. So, yun.
You know how in school there are queen bees,
That's right.
kings and queens. So we are the queens and
You're the king.
he's the king.
Ah.
So may grupo-grupo kami. And
Okay.
internally, there is some fight for power. There is some fight for being at the top between the girls and
And the
the
boys.
Yeah.
Territorial, ah. Di ba? Sai, what's your character here?
Ako po dito si Nix Rodriguez. Kung siya po si Miss Perfect, ako si Miss Mel.
Miss Ma'am. Bakit ka naging Miss Ma'am?
Ganun talaga, Miss Ma'am. So, pag pinanood natin, malalaman natin bakit Miss Ma'am siya. Basta, siya yung color kasi ni Nix is yellow. So, siya magdadala ng sunshine and yellow sa...
Pero kung Ma'am ka, mabakla ka ba dito? Ano?
Oh, that's for you to judge.
Ah!
Pero parang gano'n na nga po.
Parang
Pero-
babaeng bakla.
Yes.
Ayun.
And at the same time, ang forte, kung si Marla naman, Miss Perfect, siya naman ang kebs na Miss Imperfect siya. Wala siyang pakialam sa gagawin niya, basta gagawin.
Unapologetically
Yes!
her.
Unapologetically, ma'am.
Ma'am.
We also have our own superpowers.
Yes.
Yes. Kami yung 5 girls. So si Marla, ang superpower niya is photographic memories.
Si Nix
Okay.
naman, innovation, mahilig siya sa mga buting-ting, robotics. So, ganun siya ka.
So yung mga geek,
Yes, hindi pagka talagang
geek talaga.
kanya-kanya
Kung meron siyang Cole, sino sa'yo?
Of course, may very pogi. And special, yes.
Ang pangalan naman niya ay Raven. Go ahead.
Hello po, ako po si series. Ako naman po si Anthony Pedron, pero Ant po yung nickname ko. Ako po yung boyfriend ni Nix. Part ako ng Kings of Sosh, yung mga kumbaga alpha male ng school.
Okay. May secret ka daw dito, no? Ano na pwede ka reveal? Parang may secret daw dito si Ant. Ayan. Next, Rain, your character here.
Ayun, yung superpower ko naman, or more of my intelligence, is chemistry. Mahilig siya mag-potions. So my character's name is Isabel Calaquian, which is siya yung gusto mong patumba ng lahat ng kalalakihan sa aking likod. So, she really wants, she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values, but she has a point every time she speaks.
Nakakatawa yung she doesn't have ethics, she doesn't have values.
Yeah.
Pero meron siyang, and did you say word potion?
Yes, chemistry. So I make like weird potions for them to, I don't know, we'll see. You have to watch it to understand.
Mga gayuma, ganyan.
Yes,
Oh.
my color is purple and my puro siya mata. She barely moves her face. And yeah, she speaks facts.
Oh, so sino naman sa'yo kung merong Cole at Ant?
Pwede mo pong isabi?
Ay, hindi ba pwede?
I don't think I can.
Sige.
I don't know if I can.
Okay. Thank you. Andy, ikaw naman.
So, ako po, yung role ko po ay si April Javier. She's actually the half-sister of Cole. So, April is this computer whiz. She's a hacker. That's her special power.
Hindi naman scammer, hacker lang.
Hacker lang.
Hacker
Hindi,
lang.
no, do scamming here.
Okay.
And she's the unfiltered personality. She is very indecisive, impulsive. She's rude. She doesn't, hindi siya maayos makitungo sa mga tao. She's anti-social. But honestly, beyond that, is a girl who just wants to be loved.
That's kind of, opposite, ironic anti-social pero nasa group.
Yes, and you know paano kami
Okay.
naging isang group.
Yun nga ma-unravel dito. Rance, ikaw naman.
Opo, ayan ako naman dito si Daphne Baltimore. Si Daphne Baltimore, best friend siya ni Marla. And she's strong and very honest. Ganun siya magsalita. Tapos, very ambitious talaga siya. Kinakahiya niya actually yung pagiging mahirap. Yeah. Siya lang kasi
she
yung
was
mahirap niya.
poor.
Siya yung scholar siya, kaya siya nandito sa SOSH. Pero hindi siya mayaman, not sila mayaman. Ako lang yung mahirap. So,
Oh.
kinakahiya ko yung pagiging mahirap ko. And somehow, parang medyo, mag-best friend kami, pero medyo Marlo wannabe siya. Parang yun.
And what's her superpower?
Okay, meron naman. Magaling siya sa numbers, yun na lang.
Numbers, math,
Numbers.
mga ganyan.
Yes.
Okay, do you have a partner?
Yes,
Okay.
I also have a complicated relationship with my boyfriend, Lester.
Okay. Lester, go ahead.
Yung superpower ko po. Hello po, I play as Lester, no? And Lester Manalo. What can I say about my character? Parang, kasi part of us ng King of Sosh. So si JC, si Cole is basically like the alpha male. Tapos ako naman yung role ko is basically like I'm his right hand man. No, so if anything happens, I'm always in front of the line. No? Yun, about my character, very dominant siya, honestly. Very cliche na typical bully, I would say. Bully. So,
Bully.
you'll see. Pero si Lester, very in-depth siya. Like, my mommy issues, my daddy issues,
Okay.
madaming issues.
Ano ka daw Nepo baby ka dito Kasi,
Exactly. So parang, alam niyo na. Alam niyo na.
okay. Toxic daw, medyo girly daw yung character niya dito. Okay. So, Zach, G, anong character mo?
Yan, character ko dito, pangalan niya si Earl Natividad.
Okay.
Siyang geek, weirdo. So, anong mga ginagawa ng weirdo? Tinatry niyang magpa-crew. Tinatry niyang sumali sa Kings of Sosh. Pero malalaman natin kung makakasali ko siya sa Kings of Sosh.
Wait, may ganun you're trying to fit in.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi ganun tayo nung bata tayo, we try to find a group where we belong para safe space natin siya. Okay, simulan na natin ating Q&A. We have questions here from our friends in the press. We begin with Alan. Ay, ikaw ba? Kasi kala ko kakanta ka dito Aki, go ahead. Sorry, Aki. My apologies.
Ayun po, yung character ko po for this series is si Warren Gata. Paano ba? Ano siya? Very intentional. Very grounded sa mga pinaniniwalaan niya. And para lang siyang kabuti na kung saan sumusol ko. So abangan niyo na din po. Kasi minsan nandun ako, minsan wala ako. Tapos biglang nandun lang pala sa gilid. So yeah, kabuti si Warren, tapos may bangs din siya.
So, parang may love triangle. Parang gano'n Kasi, di ba? Parang lumiit ako. Ayun ang alam ako. Parang lumiit ako. Okay. Thank you, Aki. Let's begin our Q&A. Let's start with Alan Sanfon. Alan, where are you? Go ahead.
Hello, good afternoon.
afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to your new series in Taiwan. Yung first question ko before Alexa, I just want to ask si Sayril. Yan. Kumbaga, alam namin tulad ng introduction sa'yo ni MJ kanina, palaban kang tao, di ba? Lalo na sa social media. Gaano ka ka-behave or misbehave dito sa series natin? Paano ka nakarelate sa character?
Dahil nga si Nix ay Miss Ma'am or may pagka-bakla siya dito. So I think doon kami may onting similarities kasi may mga araw naman na nagigising ako na parang gusto ko naman maging baklang babae. Pero siguro ang mas similarities namin ni Nix, matapang sila sa, pareho sila ni Saina. Pag may gusto silang panindigan, papanindigan nila. So hindi sila basta-basta na-peer pressure. So kung yun yung stand niya, kahit mag-cut siya ng tao, okay lang. Basta papanindigan niya na hindi siya ganun or ganun siyang klase ng tao. So pareho sila ni Cyrus sa ganun ba?
Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you po.
Si ano naman, Alexa, tanong ko lang, parang before this media ko, napanood namin yung interview mo sa TV Patrol about isa to sa mga, mga medyo mature roles because you have your kissing scene with JC Oena, di ba? JC Alcantara, sorry. Yeah. So, siguro kay JC sa kay Alexa, kumbaga, how was it? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ba mag-usap na dalawa? How do you prepare for that scene? Gaano ka-intimate yung inyong kissing scene dito? Di ba?
JP, how was it? And ako po, honestly, it was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment. I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Derek, talagang kinausap niya kami. He would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Derek. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step, everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
nagre-react sa likod.
so sabi ko nga, okay, this is, parang, ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat dito sa Misbehave. So go, gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner, very hands-on din siya, very maalaga. So, I feel like it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Yes, I was so out of it. Ikaw sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Yun na nga, siguro follow-up lang kay JC. JC, kumbaga, hindi lang siguro si Alexa yung lucky kasi you're lucky kasi ikaw yung first swerte ko. Kissing scene niya sa on-screen, di ba? So, how was it? Sabi niya nga, it was good. Ikaw naman, how do you describe the kissing scene with Alexa?
Si Alexa kasi, first scene ko, kissing scene agad.
Like taping?
Yes, taping ko agad nun. First day ko taping, yes. Kasi before po, ako talaga si Warren dito. Share ko lang din po. Okay lang po ba?
Kaya sabi mo na eh.
Sabi ko naman, ako si Warren dito. Nag-prepare ako for Warren for almost 2 months. And then after nun, kinabukasan, JC, ikaw na si Ko. Wait, ano ba ito? And then after nun, taping ko na agad. So kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam gagawin. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare sa role na yun. Pero buti na lang, tinahid akong internet. And also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangalan ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay Derek, promise, legit, yes. And then yun, first kissing scene namin, ready ako, sobrang ready ko. Tapos si Alexa kinakabahan, sabi ko, okay lang yan, don't worry. Gagabayan kita.
Wow!
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Expert,
ganitong gagawin natin, dadahan-dahanin ko lang ako na bahala. And then after taping na, okay, go, kiss. Pag kiss niya ganun, oh my God, mas, ang lala, like, hindi first time. Sabi ko, I mean, sobrang, in a good way, sobrang professionally.
No, kasi yung mga ganung eksena, you want it done on the first date.
Yes.
Para wala na ang paulit-ulit, di ba? Unless
Wala na.
Di ba? No,
So-
kasi sabi mo kasi first kissing scene.
First kissing
So may
scene.
second kissing scene?
Meron po.
Okay.
Pero sobrang
Ikaw,
professional.
Wayne.
Nagustuhan ko yung pagka-strong niya ni Alexa. Nakita ko kung paano siya kapalaban. Nagusto niyang gawin para dun sa role na yun. Nagusto niyang panindigan, hindi. Kailangan kong gawin to para kay Marla. And sobrang committed niya sa role niya. Kaya